What if your favorite tech could survive rain, splashes, or even a swim? Today, we're testing the toughest waterproof gadgets of 2025, and some of them might just surprise you. In today's fast-paced, adventure-driven world, the demand for electronics that can keep up with every twist, turn, and unexpected splash has never been higher. At High Tech Gadgets News, we're seeing a remarkable surge in innovative waterproof gadgets designed with durability and versatility in mind. Whether you're hiking through rain-soaked forests, setting up camp along a river, or simply lounging poolside, these high-tech devices ensure you stay connected, entertained, and productive, no matter the environment. Let's dive into the latest updates and reviews on the top waterproof electronic gadgets for adults, exploring what sets each product apart and why these devices are dominating the market in 2024. One of the standout categories this year is waterproof Bluetooth speakers. These portable audio companions have become essential for outdoor enthusiasts, party hosts, and anyone who loves music on the move. Leading the charge is the JBL Flip 7, which has quickly earned a reputation for its robust sound quality and practical design. Sporting an IP68 rating, the Flip 7 is engineered to withstand dust, dirt, and submersion in water, offering peace of mind whether you're at the beach or braving a summer thunderstorm. With a remarkable 14-hour battery life, this speaker ensures uninterrupted enjoyment for day-long adventures. The tactile, rugged build feels reassuringly solid in hand, while its Bluetooth connectivity remains reliable even in challenging conditions. For those seeking excellent audio performance without breaking the bank, the JBL Clip 5 is a compelling alternative. Priced under $100, the Clip 5 delivers impressive sound and boasts a similarly robust waterproof rating, making it perfect for hiking, biking, or spontaneous outdoor gatherings. Next up in the waterproof gadget sphere are action cameras, devices that have become synonymous with capturing life's most daring moments. The GoPro Hero 13. Black leads the way in 2024, setting a new standard with its ability to record stunning 5.3K video at a variety of frame rates. This camera is more than just tough. It's smart, featuring advanced stabilization and versatile accessory support to ensure every shot is smooth and memorable. The Hero 13. Black's battery life has been significantly enhanced, allowing for longer recording sessions during multi-day adventures. For those who enjoy underwater exploration, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro stands out as the top pick, boasting waterproofing up to 20 meters without the need for additional housing. This makes it ideal for snorkeling, diving, and all aquatic activities. The Osmo Action 5 Pro also features intuitive controls and a battery that lasts through extended underwater excursions, cementing its place as the go-to action camera for underwater videography. Smartphones have also evolved to meet the demands of active lifestyles, and the latest flagship devices are more resilient than ever. Leading the pack is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which impresses with its IP68 water resistance rating. This means the device can withstand submersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, providing robust protection against accidental spills, rain, and even brief plunges into pools or lakes. Apple has combined durability with cutting-edge performance, making the iPhone 16 Pro Max the ideal choice for those who refuse to compromise on either. Not far behind is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which continues Samsung's tradition of pushing boundaries with top-tier specs and similarly strong waterproofing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is engineered to handle splashes, rain, and brief immersion, making it a reliable companion on outdoor adventures. The Google Pixel 9 also deserves mention, offering an impressive suite of features and high-end water resistance, proving that no matter your brand preference, there's a waterproof smartphone ready to tackle your day. It's important to highlight a crucial detail. While these devices offer robust water resistance, they are not entirely waterproof. Manufacturers design them to withstand specific conditions, such as rain, spills, or short-term submersion, but prolonged exposure or deeper immersion may still cause damage. Consumers should remain aware that water-related incidents may not be covered by manufacturer warranties, so it's best to treat these gadgets with care, especially when venturing into more extreme environments. The drive for waterproof technology is more than a trend. It's a reflection of how consumers live, work, and play. Today's electronics are expected to perform in a wide range of conditions, from urban commutes to mountain trails and seaside retreats. This expectation has led to a broader shift in design philosophy, with brands like JBL, GoPro, DJI, Apple, Samsung, and Google prioritizing ruggedness and reliability alongside performance and aesthetics. Let's take a closer look at some of the practical advantages these waterproof gadgets offer. With the JBL Flip 7, users can enjoy crisp, full-bodied sound during camping trips, pool parties, and even in the shower. The speaker's long battery life and robust construction mean you don't have to worry about recharging or protecting it from the elements. Similarly, the GoPro. Hero 13 Black empowers adventurers to document their journeys without fear of rain, snow, or mud. Whether you're mountain biking, kayaking, or exploring rainforests, the camera's stabilization and accessory compatibility ensure you capture every moment in stunning detail. For underwater photography enthusiasts, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a game-changer. With the ability to dive as deep as 20 meters, it opens up new possibilities for snorkeling, scuba diving, and aquatic sports. The intuitive user interface streamlines the shooting process, allowing users to focus on the experience rather than fiddling with settings. Smartphones like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Google Pixel 9 have redefined what it means to stay connected on the go. Their improved water resistance means you can take calls in the rain, snap photos poolside, and even use GPS navigation during water-based activities. The confidence that comes with knowing your device can handle unexpected weather or accidents is invaluable. Looking ahead, the trend toward durable, waterproof gadgets shows no sign of slowing down. Manufacturers are investing heavily in research and development to push the boundaries of what's possible, from advanced materials and seals to smarter software that detects and mitigates water exposure. As consumer lifestyles become more active and unpredictable, the role of waterproof technology will only grow in importance. In summary, 2024's best waterproof electronic gadgets represent the pinnacle of innovation, offering adults the freedom to explore, create, and connect, whatever the weather or environment. The JBL Flip 7 and Clip 5 lead the way in portable audio, while the GoPro Hero 13 Black and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro set new standards for action and underwater cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Google Pixel 9 ensure that connectivity and productivity remain intact, no matter the conditions. At High Tech Gadgets News, we'll continue to bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights as technology evolves to meet the demands of modern life. Whether you're an adventurer, a creative, or simply someone who values reliability, these waterproof gadgets are ready to rise to every challenge. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.